What's up everyone, 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. So I received this today, which is the replacement screen for my Knomi from BigTreeTech. It came with another cable. Let's get this up here. It came with another cable that I'm not going to use, and it came with a little duck. And the screen came packaged in this plastic container I showed you a few minutes ago, like that. And the box was bubble wrapped in plastic packaging. So here's to hoping that I don't have the same issue that I did with the last one. So fingers crossed. Let's lower this for a second here. All right, so here's the last one. And if you watched the video, this screen was damaged. So we're going to see how this one turns out. Hopefully we're fine with it. This is it right here. I believe it goes like this, if I remember correctly. And that kind of doesn't lock into place, but it kind of keeps it in place. So that's going to be good. And what I will do is flip this little blue tag. Actually, I'll just take it off because I can always clean the screen. Take the blue tag off. We don't need it. And that's in place. And one thing I wanted to point out up here. I had this originally through here, which is where they want you to route it, and part of the black rubberized piece was inside, so it was preventing the filament cutter from working. And I wonder how many people have that issue. This doesn't seem like a really good idea to put this through where the filament cutter tries to press and cut the filament. But we'll see what happens. All right, so this is going to go back on. And I just started filming this video instead of even looking to remember what I did last time. But we're good here. It's going to go like that. Connect here, so let's do that. We'll bring it down into here just so I can have some extra room. We are connected. Let's bring this back up all the way through. And we're good to go. Put this back into place. We will turn it on and see how it looks. Well, we will turn it off and we will plug in the side plug I forgot about. That goes right there. Let's try this again. Much better. So we're good. I'm going to walk through the setup. I'm going to scan that QR code and we will be back. Alright, we're connecting to Wi-Fi. One thing I don't like is that it only connects to 2.4 gigahertz, and we're in 2025 now. So that standard has been used and abused, and they should definitely be connecting to 5 gigahertz. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if this can even connect. I'm in my office. All the other printers are connected to Wi-Fi, and we'll see if this connects. Alright, so I was able to get the Knomi set up. It's ready to go. I'm going to go through and look at the themes and maybe upload an image, a GIF, whatever they call it, I guess, and go from there. The A1 Mini, which I forgot about, only connects to a 2.4 gigahertz network as well. I'm sure probably the P1S's do too. It's been years since I've set them up. But we're good to go with this, and we will check things out and be back and try to figure out some more stuff. Alright, I'm heating up the printer for a test print. I'm gonna print a Batman Batarang that kind of goes on the wall, so it looks like it's stuck into the wall. So let's see what happens. This is going to go pretty low here. So this is just the default settings for the Knomi. I'm curious what they all look like. The dog obviously doesn't like the bed leveling, if you can hear that on the video. I like the default graphics so far. Wondering if the circle is going to fill up the one that goes around the picture as it prints. I haven't been paying attention, so we'll see what it looks like. It's only supposed to go for 15 more minutes, so it shouldn't be a huge deal. Looks pretty small. I should have probably upscaled it a little bit. I'll probably do that at a later time.